Hi, good morning, friends. We hope you guys are doing well. And today it's a very beautiful morning, and we are going to go for a small morning walk. So, we hope you guys would like seeing our village and come along with us. Usually, every morning we have guests in our house, and you can see them. These pigeons always come in the morning to tell us good morning, and it is such a pleasing sight. So, dad always feeds them, and right now, we guys are going to go for a walk. Here in Kerala, things are so different, not like how it is in Mumbai, and it is more like living with the nature. So we feel alive every single day. So we hope that you guys are going to love the paths that we walk and the bliss that we feel. You can see how beautiful these are, right? Look at this squirrel. Walking by this river, it's a very different feeling because the cold breeze that we get here is very different, and we all are enjoying this. Actually, you guys can make it out with the video itself. Dad just told us that we can go for boating here someday, so we really want to come back soon. And right now dad and mom is going to get milk, from which we'll be making paneer today. Today our special breakfast is going to be paneer and chapati, and we'll be putting a video of that as well. So yeah, so we are back home right now, and let's go make paneer. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to introduce you guys to our cutie pies. These pigeons are all around our house, and it looks like they love us so much that they always come to our windows.
Hello friends, welcome back to our channel
Korean and Daughters.
Ta-da! We are with a new recipe.
We are going to make paneer today. A lot of our vegetarian friends had requested us to make something vegetarian after we made chicken curry. So we are going to make vegetarian food for our friends. So we hope you guys like it, and we are going to make paneer from the scratch from milk.
Let's get into the video.
Let's go. So now we're going to prepare paneer, and to do that we have taken 3 packets of milk, that is 1.5 liters. You can take how much you want. So let's go ahead and prepare.
Now we'll keep our milk for boiling.
So we have kept the milk. Let's wait till it boils. The milk has started to boil. We will just give it a good stir because we don't want it to stick into the bottom, and we will let it cook for more 2 to 3 minutes. The milk has boiled well, and I have put the flame into low. Now we will go ahead and add the lemon juice. I have taken 1.5 lemon. So let's add in. Now give it a good stir, and soon you will see the milk will start curdling and will soon separate from the whey. The milk have become solid, so I'm going to off the stove and keep it to rest for 1 minute, and then we will strain it. Now we'll strain the whey. Here we have taken a muslin cloth. Here we are straining the whey from the paneer. Can you see how well the paneer is developed? Do not throw the whey. It is really useful. You can use it for multiple things, and I will be telling you what are the uses of whey. So right now I will just take the cloth out. It's really hot. Be careful that you don't burn your hands. Now we have taken fresh water. We will give it good mix so that the lemon flavor is removed. This is the water that we got from the milk after separating the paneer. This is called whey, and it's very useful. You can use it for multiple reasons, as well to gain strength. You can use it for glowing skin
and for increasing your immunity.
Yeah, so do not throw this away. You can have it. You can have it for children. You can give it to children as well for dehydration. So please keep this, and you can, once it's cooled down, you can drink it as well. A good press so that it comes to the shape that you want. So we have put the weight upon this. Let's wait for 2 hours. Till then all the excess water will be removed from the paneer. Already 2 hours now, so let's see how the paneer is made. Wow, it's made amazing. I'm making small cubes as I'm going to make paneer tikka masala for today. This recipe is specially for our vegetarian friends. We are adding turmeric powder. Now goes red chili powder and a pinch of salt. Be careful when you mix. You don't want the paneer to break as it is homemade. Now we have kept the pan. Now we are going to fry the paneer that we have marinated. We don't want to cook it fully, but just we want to wait till the paneer gets a little golden in color. Now we'll transfer this to another bowl. Now we are going to make tomato puree, for which I have taken, the pan is heated. I'm going to add in the oil. The oil is heated. I will add in the vegetables. Now we'll add in the tomatoes. Now we will wait until all the vegetables get softened, and then we will let it cool down and make a puree of this. So now we finally reached the final step. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of oil and raw masalas. I have taken two bay leaves, 2 cardamom, 1 small cinnamon, 3 cloves, and a little bit of pepper. We chopped some onion. I'm going to be adding the onions. I'm adding a bit salt here. Onions are cooked well. We will add in turmeric, red chili powder, and roasted garam masala. Mix it well. The taste of the curry lies in how you cook the masala. So cook it till the raw flavor is gone, because you don't want that raw taste. Roast it well. Then we will add in the tomato puree into this. Wow, what an aroma. I wish that if you guys could smell how wonderful this is. Heavenly, guys. Do try this and let us know what you think, alright? So I'll be adding the puree to this now. Mix it well until the tomato puree absorbs all the taste, all the masalas, and then we will add in the paneer that we fried. We will add little sugar here to balance out the flavors. Now we will add in the paneer cubes. When you stir, make sure that you do not break them. Coat the paneer cubes with the puree, and after some time you will see the paneer swellen a bit, and that's when you know it's done. Let's just keep this for 5 minutes on low flame. Here our paneer tikka masala is ready and I reduced the gravy and you can see it. We will serve it now. And my sister is helping me with making chapatis. So we'll be having with chapatis today. And here our paneer tikka masala is ready. This specially for our friends.
Today I'm missing Mumbai a lot, and it might be because that we made paneer today. And you know, paneer I learned from one auntie who stayed in our building, and she was a Gujarati, and I asked her how to make this. So I'm really missing Mumbai.
It's yum, guys. I made it, that's the reason I'm not saying this, but you guys should try it and let us know what you guys think. It's just absolutely delicious.